Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bonbon from Dandy's world. First, gather your essential ingredients and specialized tools for success. We'll cover everything from tempering chocolate to creating delicious fillings. This guide ensures you can create beautiful, professional-looking bonbons right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress with these delightful treats, following our clear and concise instructions for a truly rewarding experience. To begin your bonbon journey, you'll need specific ingredients and equipment. Start with about 200 grams of premium dark chocolate, ensuring a rich flavor. You'll also need 100 milliliters of heavy cream and 50 grams of unsalted butter for the ganache filling. For tools, a reliable candy thermometer is crucial for tempering, and silicone molds with 1-inch cavities will give your bonbons their perfect shape. Having these ready makes the process smooth. Now, let's dive into the crafting process. First, temper your chocolate precisely. This is key for that beautiful, shiny exterior and a satisfying snap. Next, prepare your ganache filling by gently heating the cream and butter, then incorporating your chosen flavorings. Once both are ready, carefully coat the inside of your molds with tempered chocolate, add a dollop of ganache, and seal with more chocolate. Allow them to set fully for the best results. Once your bonbons are perfectly set, it's time for the grand reveal. Gently unmold them to preserve their pristine shape and glossy finish. For an extra touch of elegance, consider decorating them with a light dusting of edible gold or silver or a delicate chocolate drizzle. These small details elevate your homemade treats to gourmet status. And hey, for more great finds and deals, including that link for amazing socks, check out the description below. Enjoy your delicious, handcrafted Dandy's World bonbons.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.